Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to English class. Today, we are going to discuss about our third lesson. First two lessons over. Then we are going to discuss about our third lesson, A Snake in the Grass, written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was a famous Indian English writer. Then, let's watch the profile of R.K. Narayan.
R.K. Narayan was born in Madras, South India, and educated there and at Maharaja's College in Mysore. His first novel, Swami and Friends, and its successor, The Bachelor of Arts, are both set in the enchanting fictional territory of Malgudi. Other Malgudi novels are The Dark Room, The English Teacher, Mr. Sampath, The Financial Expert, The Man-Eater of Malgudi, The Vendor of Sweets, The Painter of Science, A Tiger for Malgudi, and Talkative Man. His novel, The Guide, won him the National Prize of the Indian Literary Academy, his country's highest literary honor. He was awarded in 1980 the A.C. Benson Medal by the Royal Society of Literature, and in 1981 he was made an honorary member of the American Academy and Institute of Arts and Letters, as well as 5 collections of short stories, A Horse and Two Goats, An Astrologer's Day, and other stories, Lale Road, Under the Banyan Tree, and Malgudi Days. He has published a travel book, The Emerald Route, 3 collections of essays, A Writer's Nightmare, Next Sunday, and Reluctant Guru, 3 books on the Indian epic, and a volume of memoir, My Days. R.K. Narayan was one of the most prolific Indian writers in English.
This is the profile of R.K. Narayan. Nature abounds with plants, insects, animals, etc. Aren't the animals and birds also the inheritors of the earth like us? They have the right to live on this earth. If you find a snake in your compound, in your garden, what will you do? No doubt, surely we will kill it, right? Here is an interesting story. Let's read. Listen. A Snake in the Grass by R.K. Narayan. It was a sunny afternoon. The inmates of the bungalow were at their siesta. A cyclist rang his bell at the gate frantically and shouted, "A big cobra has got into your compound. It crossed my wheel." He pointed to its track under the gate and resumed his journey. It was a sunny afternoon. The inmates of the bungalow, inmates means the members of the bungalow, were at their siesta. Siesta means, yes, afternoon, noon, sleeping. They were at their sleeping. Then a cyclist rang his bell because he has seen a cobra entered into their compound. And he shouted and called the members of the family and informed the matter. What was the matter? A cobra has got into their compound. And he pointed its path, where it go. And he continued his journey. The cyclist has gone. The family consisted of the mother and her 4 sons. They were greatly agitated to hear the news. Soon they assembled at the gate. Their old servant Dasa was sleeping in the shed. They shook him out of his sleep and told him about the arrival of the cobra. Who are the members of the family? The family consisted of only 4 members, mother and her, 5 members, mother and her 4 sons. And soon they assembled at their gate. They greatly agitated. Agitated means they afraid to hear the news. What was the news? A big cobra has got into their compound. It's a very afraid news that. Then they became afraid. They assembled at the gate. And their old servant Dasa was sleeping in the shed. And they called him from his sleep and informed him about the matter, about the arrival of the cobra. There isn't any cobra here, he replied, and tried to dismiss the matter. They swore at him and wanted him to be serious. The thing is somewhere here. If it is not found before the evening, we will dismiss you. You don't seem to care for the garden. What happened? When hearing the news, at first Dasa told, there isn't any cobra here. Why did he say so? If there is any cobra, he wants to find out. He wants to search for it. He is not ready for that. He was a laziest servant. But the members swore at him. Swore means they scolded him and wanted him to find out before evening the snake. Otherwise, they will dismiss him. And some neighbors dropped in. They looked accusingly at Dasa. You have the laziest servant on earth, they said. You ought to keep the surroundings tidy. I have been asking for a grass cutter for months, Dasa said. In one voice, they ordered him to manage with the available things and learn not to make demands. Some neighbors also visited or reached in their house when he heard the news. The news was very complicated because a big cobra has arrived there. And they blamed at Dasa. Blamed means കുറ്റപ്പെടുത്തി. Accusingly they looked at Dasa. കുറ്റപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് ദാസയെ നോക്കി. Because he hasn't care for the garden well. That's why like this creatures entering there. But Dasa said, I have been asking for a grass cutter for months, but I didn't get. That's why I couldn't clean here. Then they said, the neighbors said, you should do your work with the available things and not to make demands. Meanwhile, more neighbors assembled. They began discussing snake menace and the dangers of snake bite. They began helping the neighbor in every possible way. They tucked up their dhotis, seized every available knife and crowbar, and began to hack the garden. Creepers, bushes, and lawns were laid low. What could not be trimmed was cut to the root. The inner walls of the house brightened with unobstructed glare streaking in. When there was nothing more to be done, Dasa asked triumphantly, where is the snake? Then more and more neighbors reached their house and they were discussing about snake menace. What is meant by snake menace, you know? Paambu bhishani. They were discussing about snake menace and the dangers of snake bite. and they are ready to help their neighbor. And they tucked up their dhotis. Tucked up their dhotis means, tucked up the dhotis means mundokka madaki kutti. They're ready to clean the garden. And they have found so many tools for cleaning them. And they cut every creepers, shrubs, and everything in the garden. They hacked the garden. And it cleaned well. But they couldn't find out anything. Then Dasa asked them triumphantly. What is meant by triumphantly, you know? Asked them in a successful manner. Oru vijayada bhavathil. He asked them, where is the snake? Because at first he told them that there isn't any cobra here. But they never mind him and cleaned every place. Even though they couldn't find out the cobra there. Then Dasa became success in that day. Then an old beggar cried for alms at the gate. They told her that they were busy with a snake hunt. On hearing it, the old woman became happy. You are fortunate. It is God himself who has come to visit you. Don't kill the snake. Mother was in hearty agreement. You are right. I forgot all about the promised Abhishekam. This is the reminder. She gave a coin to the beggar, who promised to send a snake charmer as she went. Okay, at that time, an old beggar cried for alms at their gate. Alms means bhiksha. An old beggar cried for alms at their gate. And they told her that they are busy at the snake hunt. On hearing the news, the lady, the old woman, became happy because she told them that you are fortunate. Fortunate means ningal bhagyavanmarana. It is a God himself came to visit them. So don't kill the snake. The old woman warned them. Then mother remembered her promised Abhishekam. Then mother gave her a coin and the old beggar has gone. She promised to send a snake charmer. Then presently an old man appeared at the gate and announced himself as the snake charmer. They gathered around him. He spoke to them of his life and activities and his power over snakes. They asked admiringly, how do you catch them? Thus he said, pouncing upon an imaginary snake on the ground. They pointed at the direction in which the cobra had gone and asked him to go ahead. He looked helplessly and said, if you show me the snake, I will catch it at once. Otherwise, what can I do? The moment you see it again, send for me. I live nearby. He gave his name and departed. Then at that time, a man appeared at the gate and he introduced himself. He was a snake charmer. And he spoke of his activities and his power over the snakes. And everybody gathered around him. Chuttum Kudi, for hearing about his actions over the snake. Then they asked about the way he catch the snake and he showed how to catch the snake. Then the neighbors or the members showed the way of the cobra has gone. But the snake shaman helplessly looked at them and said, if you show me the snake, I shall catch it at once. Otherwise, what I do? I am helpless. If you see me the snake again. At that moment, you call me. I live nearby. And he gave his name and departed. Departed means he went away. At 5 in the evening, they threw away their sticks and implements and retired to the veranda to rest. They had turned up every stone in the garden and cut down every grass, blade, and shrub, so that the tiniest insect coming into the garden should have no cover. They were loudly discussing various measures they would take to protect themselves against reptiles in the future. Then at 5 o'clock, then Dasa and neighbors continued their work. Then at 5 o'clock in the evening, they stopped their work and they rest in the veranda. Then they were discussing about the various measures or protecting measures they have to taken against the cobra or reptiles in the future. When Dasa appeared before them, carrying a water pot whose mouth was sealed with a slab of stone, he put the pot down and said, I have caught him in this. I saw him peeping out of it. I saw him before he could see me. He explained at length the strategy he had employed to catch and seal up the snake in the pot. Then suddenly Dasa appeared before them with a water pot. Its mouth was sealed up with a slab of stone. And everybody looked at him. They want to know what it contained. Then Dasa explained. Dasa said, he has caught the snake in the water pot. Caught the snake and sealed it in the water pot. And he has explained the strategy. Strategy means Sutram. എങ്ങനെയാണ് പിടിച്ചത് എന്ന ആ strategy, ആ സൂത്രം he has explained to the people. Then they stood at a safe distance and gazed on the pot. Dasa had the glow of a champion on his face. Don't call me an idler hereafter, he said. Mother complimented him on his sharpness and wished she had placed some milk in the pot as a sort of religious duty. Then everybody stood at a safe distance because the water pot contained a big cobra and gazed on the pot. Dasa had a glow of a champion on his face. ഒരു വിജയിച്ച ഭാവമായിരുന്നു ദാസയുടെ മുഖത്ത്. Mother and he warned them. He asked them that, don't call me hereafter an idler. ഇന്നു മുതൽ എന്നെ ഒരു മടിയൻ എന്ന് വിളിക്കരുത്. Mother complimented him on his sharpness and wished she had placed some milk in the pot as a sort of religious duty. He picked up the pot cautiously and walked off, saying that he would leave the pot and its contents with the snake charmer living nearby. He became the hero of the day. They watched him in great admiration and decided to reward him adequately. And Mother complimented him. And Dasa walked off, saying that he would leave the pot and its contents to the snake charmer living nearby. He became hero of the day because he has caught the big cobra and he became hero of the day. Everybody looked at him admiringly. Aradhanayode, they looked at him. And the members of the family or the mother decided to reward him adequately. It was 5 minutes since Dasa had gone when the youngest son cried, see there, out of a hole in the compound wall, a big cobra emerged. It glided along towards the gate paused for a moment to look at the gathering in the veranda with its hood half raised. It crawled under the gate and disappeared along a drain. When they recovered from the shock, they asked, "Does it mean there are 2 snakes here?" The college boy murmured, "I wish I had taken the risk and knocked the water pot from Dasa's hand. We might have known what it contained." Then, after Dasa has gone, after 5 minutes, their younger son cried, "See, a big cobra has emerged from their compound wall." Everybody have seen this. They became shocked because they thought that the cobra has gone or Dasa has caught the cobra and the problem is solved. But again they have seen that they became shocked. Then they have doubted that there are 2 snakes here. Then their college boy murmured. He said himself that, "I have some doubt on Dasa. We should have knocked the water pot and we might have understood what it contained." നമ്മൾ ആ വാട്ടർ പോട്ട് ഒന്ന് പൊട്ടിച്ചു നോക്കാമായിരുന്നു. Then we can understand what it contained. College boy murmured. Because they know Dasa was the laziest servant. So they know that they understood that it was his trick. He wants to become the hero of the day. So he made a trick. He planned something that day. Okay? Understood the story? Did you like the character Dasa in the story? Okay. Then read the textbook well 4 or 5 times and write down the new words into your English notebook and its meanings also. And today's activity I am going to give you, write in your English notebook. Write a short note on Dasa or write a character sketch of Dasa. Okay, write in your English notebook. Write a short note on Dasa. Okay, write that activity in your English notebook. Okay, and study well, complete your books, complete your notebooks and study well. Okay, I think you understood today's class. If you have any doubts, ask me through WhatsApp. Okay, let's meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.